sisters, my name is Yolanda Pillsbury. I am a member of Local Lodge 873, the Fighting Machinists. I am very happy to be here today with all of you. Friends, now is the time to stand up. Now is the time to make our voices heard. Now is the time to tell the Republican legislators and Scott Walker that we will not stand for such blatant attacks on Wisconsin families. Scott Walker promised David Koch he was going to take his baseball bat to the workers of our state, and he has just escalated a fight that he is going to lose. Well, Scott Walker, the fight is far from over. Now is the time to organize like we never have organized before. This man has total disregard of the working class in Wisconsin. This is an assault on our democracy. Friends, where are we going from here? Remember